Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech tips and tricks. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue, recovering lost or deleted WhatsApp messages, videos, photos, documents, etc. from your iPhone. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important chat or lost messages due to a software glitch, you know how frustrating that can be. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to recover those precious messages using TenorShare Alt Data. It's a powerful tool that makes data recovery simple and efficient. Let's dive in. First things first, let's download and install TenorShare Alt Data. Head over to the TenorShare website, find Alt Data, and download it for your Mac or PC. Once it's downloaded, install it by following the on-screen instructions. Also, link available in the video description. Once you've installed Alt Data, go ahead and launch the application. You'll see a clean, user-friendly interface with multiple recovery options. Now, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure your device is unlocked and trust the computer if prompted. In the Alt Data interface, you'll see several recovery options. For WhatsApp messages, click on Recover Data from iOS Devices. Alt Data will now start scanning your iPhone for recoverable data. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. While we're waiting, let me remind you to regularly back up your data to avoid such situations in the future. Prevention is better than cure. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable data, including WhatsApp messages. You can preview each message to find the ones you need. Select the WhatsApp messages you want to recover and click on Recover to Computer. Choose a location on your computer to save the recovered messages. And that's it! You've successfully recovered your WhatsApp messages. With TenorShare Alt Data, you can easily recover not just WhatsApp messages, but also photos, videos, contacts, and more. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.